Hello everyone, Jan here today from Needle, and in today's video I'm going to showcase you our integration of Needle into HubSpot and how you can actually manage the data that you have within your CRM system all through a Needle chat interface with natural language. So let's get started. So I'm here right now in this collection HubSpot, which I connected to HubSpot. As you see in the top right corner, HubSpot is enabled. I could also enable other applications here just via the connectors interface, so such as Jira, Confluence, and so on. But in this case, I'm going to demonstrate you our integration into HubSpot. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to write some data into my HubSpot CRM system, and specifically I want to add a company called Global Tech to our HubSpot CRM system. So as you see now, the company has been successfully added to our CRM system, and we can actually now perform some actions on this item. So we would like to add some phone number actually to this company so that we can actually have a specific phone number that we can contact for this specific lead that we have just added to our CRM system. As you see now, I have added this phone number here to my Global Tech company account, and you see here also this is confirmed. This is the data that we just queried from our CRM system. Now I want to know if there's a contact called Jan Heimis within my HubSpot CRM system. So as you see now, there's an account called Jan Heimis in our CRM system with some specific information, which we created 9th of November, and last modified is actually 1st of May. Now I want to associate Jan Heimis to this company that I just created before, Global Tech, and then I want to find all contacts that I actually assigned to the company Global Tech. So as you see now, our agentic search has actually performed several tasks. First of all, it searched all the companies, then it listed all the association types to understand actually what can I use and what can I do. Then it understood, it created an association, and it got back the association, and finally it got back the contact to understand if this association has been successfully enabled. So as we see now, Jan Heimis has been successfully added as an association to Global Tech. So let's update the contact and add an email to Jan Heimis, specifically jan@needle-ai.com. So as you see now, this email has been successfully added to our contact Jan Heimis. So we can also batch create companies here through the new chat interface within HubSpot, so we can actually add here like 2 companies to our HubSpot CRM system. So you see these 2 companies have been created, and now they are living within our system, and we want to associate Jan again to these companies. So as you see, Jan Heimis has been now added again as the primary contact to these 2 companies. Now we are specifically interested in companies that are LLCs, so we would like to look for companies that have LLC within their domain. So as you see now, there are 2 accounts here within our CRM system, and it's actually a duplicate, and this happens to many CRM systems that there are duplicates of specific companies, and therefore we would like to clean this up. This error happened because of me not being careful enough and calling several times the same prompt, but it also happens to many people who work with CRM systems. I guess many of you have already realized that you maybe work in a team and you realize some person has added a specific company to your CRM system, and you're realizing that 2 people have added the same company without knowing about it, just by doing kind of the lead search when they actually were exploring different companies who could be potential customers. Since this is a duplicate, we just want to now say delete the company Beta LLC with this specific ID. You see they are kind of the same, but the ID, which is unique, is different. So I'm going to delete the first one. Now, since I deleted this object, I can do again the search for companies that contain llc.com. And we see now just 1 company exists. The other one has been deleted. As you see, there's just 1 single company. So you see we have actually deduplicated the accounts that we had within our CRM system through the Needle chat interface. This is a really powerful integration here of Needle with a simple use case of deduplicating actually the companies that you have within your CRM system. And we are very happy about this integration, and we are excited to see how you are using Needle's new integration into HubSpot. And we are excited to support you with the data quality that you are having within your CRM systems. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us, and we are very excited about this integration and what you are building with Needle. See you soon.